Okay, here we go. That just looks so... Oh, stop. Yum. Maybe put too much teriyaki sauce in there. I don't know what sauce I could have done with it, you know? So cheesy. That does not look appetizing for you. I can tell, I can see it on camera. But it is nice. Next time I think I'll do like a tomato-y sauce. I should have done the tomato-y one like I did the pasta sheets. So cheesy. I rushed this and I didn't think about it. I did do too much teriyaki, whatever it's called. But it's edible, but I won't do it again. Better with the jalapenos. Remember, if you haven't gone and followed, go and have a look at my YouTube just in case. I haven't done much on there. It's just the stuff from TikTok at the moment, do you know what I mean? But I will. It's just really technical, isn't it? Like, some people edit their videos on TikTok so good. Mine will just be raw. Because I'm not like that. I don't know if I like this, you know. It's fine. At least I'm one to admit it. I'm not going to sit here and be like, I'm going to eat it because I made it, but the sauce wasn't for me. I was just too hungry. Oh well. I'm going to leave that bit. Not going to pretend. Damn it! I was really looking forward to that. I'm going to do a different kind of sauce next time. Anyway, have a good day.